Hello and welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm going to show you how to create northern lights and Mylar nails. So I'm gonna start to fit the form on the pinky nail. I'm gonna apply the nail prep dehydrator and the acid base primer. To do this encapsulate design, I'm gonna work with medium speed, crystal clear powder and the Mylar. First, I'm gonna do a very thin layer of clear acrylic. Then I'm gonna place my Mylar. I choose a different color to make it more bling bling. And now I'm going to encapsulate the whole nail with a clear acrylic. And I'm going to do the same on the index finger. Now I'm going to pinch the nail a little bit. Now I'm going to start my filing routine. I'm going to use the new Naio Nails file 120 for the side wall and the free edge. And now I'm going to use the 180 grit file for the cuticle area. And now go back with a 120 grit for the surface of the nail. Now I'm going to use a block to smooth the surface of the nail. Now I'm gonna do my design on the ring finger and on the middle finger as well. I'm gonna do Northern Lights. I'm starting with the color Ocean Ridge. And put in a lamp for 30 seconds. I'm going to apply my second coat. And I'm gonna use the Snow White gel color to give light to the tip of the nail. And flash cure for 10 seconds. If you need to clean your brush, use some gel residue wipe-off solution to clean it. Soon as you're happy with the design, flash cure for 10 seconds. So now I'm gonna use a detailing brush, the 01 detailing brush, and I'm gonna draw some line. With an ombre brush, I'm dragging the product up. As usual, if you need to clean, use some gel residue wipe-off solution and flash cure for 10 seconds. With a flat brush, I'm going to accentuate the fade of the northern light and flash cure for 10 seconds. Now I'm going to be using two colors, Wanderlust and Amythest Geode from the Shimmer collection. And with my flat brush, I'm going to add some color to another light. And cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to add some stars with the dotting tool and the Snow White. And flash cure for 10 seconds. I'm gonna apply the Ocean Ridge on the thumb and cure the first coat for 30 seconds, and I will apply a second coat. Cure for 30 seconds. To finish the design, I'm going to apply the Urban Graffiti top coat on the nail. And cure for 60 seconds. To finish this design, I'm applying some peach cuticle oil. This is the finished design. I hope you like the video. I really love to work with the Mylar. It's really easy and shiny. All the products used are in the description box below. Until next time, au revoir!